Hello everyone, it's Greg King here and welcome to my video on how to get to the top of Google #1 rankings for free in minutes using the simple 5-step formula. Now, I'll be back right after this explosive beginnings. Okay. That's over with now. Now we can get back down to this video. Today's video, I'm going to share with you how to get to the top of Google search like in minutes. And it's a very simple 5-step formula. And then I'm going to share a couple of questions I've had in regards to this from different friends of mine. And in a moment, I'm going to share with you the examples of how powerful, how reliable, and how consistent this has been for every business that anyone may have that's watching this right now. In previous videos, I've been actually sharing results of how powerful this program is and this formula is. And a couple of questions that have come up that I've never really been able to address, or I've never actually addressed. And I concentrated on people who have different businesses and how powerful it worked to crush the competition in your niche, and how Google and YouTube, the #1, 2 platforms for searching, will show a lot of loving and actually group your videos and basically rank them #1, #2. Right across the platform. But I haven't addressed some of the questions I've been getting, and I'm going to have it a little more in depth in another video, and that is people that are using Facebook, YouTube, and Google advertising and Bing advertising. And this is specifically, a lot has to do with the affiliate marketing and with companies like Spotify, that the majority of monies or the money suck is all these ads. Now, there's a reason why Google and Bing and I don't know if Bing does it, but I know that Google and Microsoft will give you $100 credit if you spend $25, because that $100 is sucked away almost immediately on ads. Now, the question came up was, would this work with an affiliate marketing company or like something like Shopify, where you're actually selling merchandise online? This would cut your costs completely out. There'd be no need for advertising on Google ads or Microsoft ads or Facebook ads, which I don't believe in anyways. This is a little bit of a side note, but I find that Facebook ads are great for spending money. They love taking your money. I find that when I go on Facebook, I'm not looking at buying something, I'm looking at being a little more social. And the chances of that occurring where I'm talking to a friend and all of a sudden an ad comes up and saying, hey, I need to buy this electrical product, is slim and none. Yet, when you search, not you, but when people search, like your buyers search for certain products, very product specific online, they will go to Google first, then they'll go to YouTube. And these are red hot buyers. These are not tire kickers. So these are completely red hot buyers. Now, I also mentioned that I'm going to put a link on for you to have access to this powerful program, and that will be put into the video and also down below in the comments. So I'm going to show you again some of these, if you haven't seen it before, some of these incredible results. And the first example I'm going to give you is how I got onto first page of YouTube, Google, and in the carousel in just 16 minutes using this formula. It is a proven formula, and you can see where some of these people I've jumped over have been on this page for up to 3 years. And they've actually, and by the way, this is all organic, this is all for free. The next one is exactly the same, where I got onto the first page of Google, of YouTube, and the video carousel in under 2 minutes. And reiterating is, I'm not a real fan of the web pages anymore, because web pages, I mean, they're great to have. I have a web page. However, Google and YouTube tend not to be as user-friendly as they are with videos. So it could take 2 weeks to 6 months to rank a website, whereas this process, this program, this formula, you can actually do it within a couple of minutes, and it stays there. It has complete staying power. Now here's the third example. Once again, first page YouTube, first page Google, first in the video carousel, all within 9 minutes. Next one again, first YouTube, first Google, first on the carousel in 3 minutes. And it's redundant. I'm showing all these examples just to reiterate how powerful and consistent. It's not a one-off that, gee, if I can do, I may get out of 10 times, I may get on the Google and YouTube platforms once. This is literally guaranteed within minutes. Here's another example. The first page, ranking, first page Google, 2 minutes. Now, what's also kind of cool here is, this is my crown and glory, this was done in 1 minute. You can see by the red arrow here, this how to advertise your business on Google occurred on ranking number 4 on YouTube within 1 minute. Now, because I'm putting videos out, the algorithms from YouTube and Google are the most powerful in the world. And when they see I'm using this certain niche, they think I'm a powerhouse in this niche. So they start to add my videos that are very similar. So the number 3 spot is what YouTube actually put on. Now, it gets better because the more videos you put on, all free, all organic, the rankings go sky high. And you can see I've got 80% of the positioning here on YouTube. Then it goes to 100%. So as a business owner or affiliate marketer or someone that's selling product online, if a hot buyer is going to go online on Google and tap in hot tubs or drones or cameras, and you're on the first page and you get all the rankings, they're not going to go to the second page. Typically, and I'm also in this group, typically I will only go to the first page and probably only to the first 5 or 6 people. And after that, I've already made my decision. Rarely do I go to the second page. Here, which is really cool, is on Google. It's Google search, which I didn't even search. I actually put in a slightly different search, and I put a stranglehold on the video carousel at the very top of a Google search. So if you were to have your product where the first time you put in your product, or a red hot buyer puts in a product, and you actually go to the top of the carousel, they're not going to go much further than number 2, maybe number 3. And this happened again, slightly different search again, and once again, stranglehold on the carousel. Now you can see how powerful this is and how incredibly it's insanely consistent. It just is, and it stays up here for a long period of time. And I'm bumping off people that have been up on this niche for 2 and 3 years. Now the thing that people will say is, well, if everyone's in it, everyone's doing it. Well, it's such an incredibly large network where Google, I mean, you're looking at close to 7 billion people. Now, it's doubtful if you're going to have 2 people in the same niche. And once again, this is not the process, this is the product. So if you want to say that you have hairdressing in a certain part of, just say Seattle, you would put that and put videos saying best hairstylist in the South Seattle area. Then you put tips and tricks of how to be informative to your clients, and you will progressively go up and be on the top 4 or 5 or 6 of any search on Google that has your criteria. As I mentioned a little earlier, I'm going to leave the link in the video and also in the comment section so you can take a look at this formula. It is without a doubt the best formula out there to get number 1 on Google, number 1 on YouTube, and it's all done for free, and it's fast, and it will crush the competition. If you've enjoyed this video and found it informative, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and leave a comment below. And we'll see you in the next video.